Happy birthday, anak, Jenica. Wish ko na makatapos ka ng pag-aaral. Ipagpatuloy mo lang yung magandang ginagawa mo. Soar high, dream big, at mahal na mahal ka namin.
It's buried in your bones. I see it in your closed eyes turning in. This is hard.
Happy birthday, Jenica. Mahal na mahal kita. Tuparin mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo. At respeto ang tatak mo sa laging sa isip at puso mo. I love you, anak.
Like a hurricane, I take it in real slow.
You deserve all the good things that life can offer. I am always here, Jen. I am always be your one call away friend when things get heavy. I'll be here through thick and thin. Happiest birthday, Jen. I love you big time. More years to us.
Down again.
Happy birthday ate. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay sana mas maging matalino ka pa at mas mabuti. At sana maging mapanuri ka sa mga taong makakasalamuha mo. Happy birthday ulit ate. I love you so much.
7 times again.
Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways, submit to Him and He will make your path straight.
The flame to my
Blessed birthday, Kai Kai! We love you with the love of the Lord! Happy birthday, Jenica! We love you!
against your skin.
Happy birthday, Kai Kai! We love you! Happy 18th birthday, Sex Bomb Kai Kai! Get out!
Hurricane, I take it in real slow.
Happy 18th birthday to you! Basta kapag nararamdaman mo na mabigat na naman, kahit alam ko namang wala namang mabigat dyan.
Happy 18th birthday, Kai! Wish ko sa'yo, uy, huwag kang umiyak! Ganon. Jen, I pray na this year and the years ahead bring you joy, peace, success, at sana mas mahabang pasensya, lalo na sa akin. I pray that God fills your life with purpose, love, and joy. I pray that you continue to shine with the same strength, kindness, and faith that makes you who you are. And whenever life takes you, remember, I'm always here. Hindi kita iiwan. Ngayon, bukas, hanggang all this tayo, hanggang sa langit. Love na love kita. Happy birthday.
It's all we know. All we know. The hurricane.
Ngayon dalaga ka na talaga. Ingatan mo lang yung sarili mo hanggang sa makatapos ka, Apo, ha? Yan ang ano ko sa'yo. Kaya, Brent, sinasabi ko sa'yo, Brent.
All we know.
Happy 18th birthday, Kai Kai! We love you! Happy 18th birthday, Sister Jen! We love you! Happy birthday, Jenica Luis! We love you!
Watch it go. Watch it go. We stay the same. And I don't know.
Majority of the people would get to know Jenica as tamataray and tamaltitawan na mahirap i-approach.
Watch it go. Watch it go. We stay the same. And I don't know how it can change. I don't know
I-enjoy nyo yung bawat journey nyo.
how
Huwag kang magmadali. Lagi lang ako nandito para sa'yo. Alam mo yan, kahit
it's
ano.
all we
I love you,
know.
anak.
All we know, the hurricane.